Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am excited to share this video with you difference between hazard and risk. Let's go. In the start, the source of a hazard is called a threat. It's essentially the source of potential danger. Examples include machine, excavation, or heights. The first word, a hazard. What of meaning a hazard? Hazard is any source of potential damage, harm, or adverse health effects on something or someone. Going back to the previous examples, the machine. Machine is threat. What of hazards related machine? The same swivel parts. The second example, an excavation. What of hazards related excavation? Toxic gases. And heights. What of hazards related? A heights? Yes, unprotected edges. The second word, risk. What of meaning a risk? Risk is the chance or probability that a person or something will be harmed or damaged. Going back to the previous examples, the same machine, excavation, or heights, I told you the hazards related machine, swivel parts. What of risk related swivel parts? Yes, contact with swivel parts. The second example, excavation. I told you the hazards related excavation, toxic gases. What of risk related toxic gases? Yes, suffocation from toxic gases. What of risk related unprotected edges? Yes, falling. Can you tell me more about examples of hazard and risk in the comments? Goodbye.